without using a calculator, and they should leave their answers in a standard form. That becomes a problem. But don't be scared. I am here to demystify the secret behind this. Just join me, all right? So let's begin. The first thing we need to do here is to quickly write our solution, all right? Once we write our solution, that means we are ready to start solving the problems. The problem we have here is just to understand what to do here. Once we understand what to do with these 2 points, then solving the remaining aspect of it would be any problem. So let's take it one by one at a time. So we take the first point is 0.029. We are changing this into a standard form, and it becomes 2.9 times 10 raised to the power minus 2. Good. We take the second part, that's 0.076. 0.076, we convert it again to a standard form. It becomes 7.6 times 10 raised to minus 2. That's for the numerators, right? Now let's consider the denominator with 3 zeros, 5, 5, and 1. So we have 0.00551 being converted to a standard form as 5.51 times 10 raised to the power minus 3. Minus 3 indeed, because we have 3 zeros behind 551. So take note. What do we do next? Very simple. We now write this out and then write its equivalence. So we have 0.029 times 0.076 all over 0.00551 is equivalent to, that's the meaning of this sign. This digital decimal point fraction is equivalent to, the first one is 2.9 times 10 minus 2 times 7.6 times 10 raised to the power minus 2 all over 5.51 times 10 raised to the power minus 3. So this, in standard form, equivalent to this. That's what it means. So if we have done this, that means we are halfway solving the problem, which is this. So what do? We take it one by one. This again, we start from here. 2.9, where this is going to multiply this, times 7.6. We should put this into parentheses or brackets, so to say, and we consider the powers, 10 minus 10, so we take 1. Since they are the same, take 10 minus, remember that this is what? This is multiplication sign. And according to indexation rule or law of indexes, multiplication sign is quickly regarded as what? Regarded as plus. And then we have 2 for the second power. Okay? Then the next thing we do is all over what we have here as 5.51 times 10 raised to the power minus 3. If we have gotten to this point, it means the remaining steps are very simple. What do? This times this is going to give us 22.04 times power 10. So look at this, minus 2. This time this is minus, so minus minus is going to give us minus 4 all over what we have as the denominator, which is 5.51 times 10 minus 3. Good. One more step and we're done. So what do? We carve out this. We need to carve out this. It becomes 22.04 all over 5.51. Okay? We have carved out this times 10. Watch out this. Look at this. 10. Because I'm taking this 10 and that 10 to be 1. The base is the same. So, but the powers is very, very important, becomes minus 4 for this minus division line, minus, alright? Then this is also minus 3. Hey, hold on, don't get confused. See what I've just done. Minus 4 is this, but this division line is also minus. Division, according to law of indices, turns into minus. That's this. Then this minus is for this. Okay? Now let's further simplify. We have 22.04 all over 5.51 times 10. Let's see what happens. Let's see at this point what happens. Minus 4 minus times this is going to be minus 4, right, plus 3. And this eventually becomes, by the time we simplify further, this eventually becomes 22.04 all over 5.51 times 10 raised to the power minus 1. Look at it. It's obvious. It's showing now, right? And finally, when we now do 22.04 divided by 5.51, we are going to have 4.04 times 10 minus 1. And this is our final answer. Yes. Don't be surprised, because you know that 5 divided 20, you have 4. That's the first thing. That's how I did it. 5 divided 20 alone is going to give you 4. Then the remaining fraction can be divided and you have this. So my dear friends, my dear viewers, we have successfully succeeded in resolving this without using a calculator and at the same time leaving our answer in a standard form. I want to thank you for watching up to this moment.